Hello guys, this is Autosocials and today I'm going to show you how you can earn free credits on IMVU totally for free and really simple. Now let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So in order to achieve these free credits, what we are going to do is basically complete some surveys, play some games or watch some videos. Now I'm going to read you through an article showing how does this work and what you need to do in order to achieve the free credits. Now, the first step for you is to re-register on Idle Empire. No extra registration is needed. You can immediately sign up to our that platform with your existing social media accounts. We support authentication through Google, Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Steam. So basically, you have to make an account first. Then you are going to start earning points. Once you've registered, you can start earning points. Simply answer paid surveys, play games, watch videos, or test software. Now, in order to redeem IMVU credits, you have to have a certain amount of points, obviously, and they'll deliver them within 24 hours. Um, and their shop apparently has just a bunch of awards, not only for IMVU, but yeah, you can also get rewards on IMVU. So about free IMVU credits. IMVU contains its own economy with a currency system based on IMVU credits. How do I get my credits? To receive your free IMVU credits, all you have to do is sign up for an account on Idle Empire, answer a few paid surveys, watch some videos, or complete offers and quickly redeem your earned points for IMVU credits. We'll send a gift card code to your email address, which you can use to add the credits to your IMVU account. Apparently, they've gifted over $1.2 million worth of rewards since 2015. What can you do with your credits? You can make in-game purchases, clothes, skins, and all this kind of stuff. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you were able to earn some free IMVU credits. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.